Okay, so this is Honor 70 Pro. It's launched in May 2022. Sorry for late, but okay, let's check out now. The phone design is really impressive and amazing. Look at the camera design, it's different, it's looking very premium, and it comes with back and front curved surface. The Honor 70 Pro has a 6.7 inches 10-bit 120Hz refresh rate OLED display, and it supports 1 billion plus colors. The display has 429 ppi density. The device runs on Android 12 plus Magic UI 6.1 operating system. The selfie camera is 50 megapixel and it has 100-degree field of view. The device is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8000 octa-core processor, UFS 3.1 storage, LPDDR5 RAM, and we have 8 and 12 GB RAM option. And it comes with 4500 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging adapter in the box. And finally, let's moving to the camera part. 54 megapixel sensor, that's the newest Sony IMX800 flagship camera sensor. A 50 megapixel 122 ultra wide camera that's also doubles as a micro camera, and 8 megapixel telephoto which supports 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom, and OIS plus EIS image stabilization. Overall, this is a design and camera centric phone, and performance is great in this price segment. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and make sure subscribe to this channel.